Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to be back after taking a break and having a family holiday with my kids and my fiance, but we are home now and today I'm dedicating the morning to unpacking, cleaning and just generally getting my life back in an organised fashion. So the first thing I'm going to do is unpack all of our suitcases and get them ready to be washed. Some of the stuff in the suitcases is actually clean. We were in a family home, so I did 2 or 3 washes while we were out there, and some of this stuff is perfectly clean and ready to be put away. So I'm making a pile for everyone as well of the clean stuff that I can put away, and then all of the dirty stuff that needs to be washed is going to go in the blue basket. So first thing I'll do is take down this dirty washing, go into the utility room and put on what I think is going to be the first of many washes over the next couple of days. I'm going to separate my whites and just put those in a separate pile next to the washing machine, and when I've got enough whites I will do a white wash either later today or tomorrow. But there you go, that is the first load put on and that satisfying sound of the washing machine is happening. I've also got loads of clean laundry in the utility room. I was super sick the day before we went on holiday, so I wasn't my usual organised self, and this laundry is actually left over from before we even left. So I need to fold up all of this clean laundry and put this away as well. So all of that clean laundry has come upstairs with me, and I'm going to put all this away into whatever wardrobe it needs to go into. Next thing I'm going to do is put the suitcases away, so I'm going to pull down the ladder from our attic and I'm going to put the suitcases up there, ready for our next getaway whenever that might be. Next thing I'm desperate to do is strip the beds. As I said, I was really poorly the day before we went on holiday. Now normally I strip and change the beds the day before we go away, and I couldn't because I was just so sick. I was bedridden, so I'm going to strip the beds today, and I cannot wait to put some clean bedding on here later today. I'm going to leave it and do it a little later today though. Honestly, I'm filming this at like 7:30 in the morning. So the day is long. I can put the bedding back on a little bit later. Next thing I want to do is clean the toilets. Again, I wish I'd done this before we left, but I did not have the stomach for it. I'm just going to wipe down each of our toilets with the Flash bathroom spray and a blue cloth, and I will also make sure I clean the floors around the toilet as well because I live with boys, say no more. I'm going to do this to this toilet, and then I'm literally going to repeat the process in 1, 2, 3. Is it 3 more toilets? I can't remember. I think it's 3 more. I'm also just going to use the same Flash spray but a different clean pink cleaning cloth to go over all of the sinks in the bathrooms as well. I don't know why I bother doing this because the boys are going to just rip this apart literally in a few minutes, but it makes me happy. Next up, I'm going to lightly clean the kitchen. I'm going to use, this is the Sephora Coconut Cleaning Surface Spray, and it smells delightful. I haven't used this one before. It's kindly sent to me by Sephora, and honestly, it smells heavenly. Thank you so much for sending this over. I'm just going to spray all of my quartz worktops and wipe down all the surfaces. I'm also just going to wipe down the hob. It obviously hasn't been used because we've been on holiday, but it's actually gathered some dust where it's just been sat here not being used, so I'm just going to wipe it down. Also, there are these burnt on cheese marks on the oven door that are really annoying me. I literally never use my oven anymore, but I had my niece and nephew around for dinner, so we had lots of pizzas in here, and some of the cheese has ended up on my oven door. So I'm gonna try and get this off because it keeps catching my eye and it's bothering me. Ignore that filthy oven tray that's inside the oven as well. That as well needs a deep clean. I will have a go at that later today. Next up, I'm going to just vacuum our hard floors. This feels so good to do this because, again, I didn't even do this before we got on the plane. I literally came home to crumbs all over my floor. It did not make me happy to walk into the house and see it like that, which is why I'm doing this at like 7 in the morning. I couldn't wait to go over the floors. It's a little later in the day now, and I'm going to get dinner ready so that I don't have to think about that and I can just concentrate on continuing to sort the house out. I've cooked some mince with some chorizo and onion and hidden veggies. I'm going to add in a Lloyd Grossman sauce and some chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to leave all that to simmer on low in the slow cooker until we have dinner in about 4 or 5 hours, so I don't have to think about it, which is such a satisfying thing. I love a slow cooker. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more, and I will see you in my next one.